Hello, man. What's up?
Yes.
Oh. What would you say gives you the ache in football?
The ache.
Yeah, it throws you off. Like it's a turn off.
People with fit bums.
What would you say like ignites the ache nje Paulina want to say yang nyanye silent on Paul?
Pauline. Abantu abageza vele bashintshe bahambe nje.
Bayakwenza.
Shoes. Hi, Dungelo. Quick question. What would you say gives you the biggest ache in football?
Magneta changing room like uthola ukuthi sizazogeza umuntu akhipha amakhokha notshani abesathunthuse la eduzane. I'm like but sizogeza sishintshe lana futhi inside.
Sabe someone? Yapil. What would you say ignites the ache Paulina like into bona nthi yakunyanyisa usuluthi abantu abahamba bengagezeli after training?
Yeah, nami uvumelana naye.
Ukuthi
Uhamba ungagezile.
No, mina abantu abaqeda ukujima and then after bangagezi.
into eyodwa nje ngiyasho kuwena. Ayifani kanjani? Usho leyo nto nje. Ishe yakhe answer mfethu and usithebe usisho leyo answer ngeke ku right ngaleyo answer.
Abantu abangawashi training kit mfethu.
Like it throws you off, yakunyanyisa nje.
Umuntu ofika late.
Okay,
Yeah.
coach ngeke.
Umuntu ofika
That's a
late.
coach answer.
It shows ukuthi awukho serious.
Okay.
And
Oh, you missed.
yeah.
Okay,
Like
thank you
uya
so much.
kanjani emsebenzini ube sufika
Be
late.
late.